In this video, we're going to show how it's possible to export data from QuickBooks into NolaPro. The first thing we'll need to do is download the QuickBooks Web Connector. In this example, I'll just Google the application and download it from the web page, but I'll include a link in the description. Once the download is finished, open the zip file and run the installer application. We'll need to have both QuickBooks Web Connector and QuickBooks running before we can begin the next step. Once you're logged into your NolaPro installation, go to Tools and Export Data from QuickBooks. You'll need to download the QuickBooks Web Connector file from NolaPro. It will also provide you with a password that you'll need to enter later, so go ahead and copy that. Now going back to the QuickBooks Web Connector, we're going to add a new application and select that file that we had just downloaded. You'll first receive a prompt within the QuickBooks Web Connector and then within QuickBooks itself to confirm the connection between the two. We're going to paste in that password that we'd gotten from NolaPro. Back in NolaPro, we're going to submit a request to export. It'll take a little bit of time for QuickBooks to complete the export process, after which NolaPro will show you the import progress and log.